Encountering a bear in the wild can be both thrilling and terrifying, but being prepared can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about bear spray, the most effective tool for deterring aggressive bears and staying safe during outdoor adventures. What is bear spray? A non-lethal deterrent made from capsaicin, the active ingredient in chili peppers. It creates a cloud of irritant that temporarily disables a bear's senses. How does bear spray work? The science behind its effectiveness targets a bear's eyes, nose, and respiratory system. It's more reliable than firearms in most situations. When should you use bear spray? Look for signs of an aggressive or charging bear and learn how to identify defensive versus predatory behavior. How to properly use bear spray. We'll provide step-by-step instructions for deploying bear spray effectively and practice tips to ensure you're ready in case of an emergency. Choosing the right bear spray involves key features to look for, such as EPA-approved formulas, range, and duration of spray. We'll also recommend top brands and models endorsed by experts. Bear safety tips beyond bear spray include how to store food properly to avoid attracting bears and making noise while hiking to prevent surprise encounters. We'll discuss what to do if you encounter a bear, even without bear spray. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and prepared to handle bear encounters safely. Remember, preparation is key when venturing into bear country. Subscribe for more outdoor safety tips, wildlife guides, and adventure hacks. Let us know in the comments, have you ever encountered a bear in the wild?